Dia dapat berenang dengan baik. He can swim very well. He can swim very well. Mungkin saya terlambat. I may be late. I may be late. Seperti Anda ketahui. As you know. As you know. Apakah itu mungkin? Is it possible? Is it possible? Saya suka gagasan itu. I like that suggestion. I like that suggestion. Kedengarannya seperti suatu ide yang baik. It sounds like a good idea. It sounds like a good idea. Maafkan saya datang terlambat. Excuse me for coming late. Excuse me for coming late. Mohon maaf lahir batin. I beg your pardon body and soul. I beg your pardon body and soul. Tunggu sebentar. Hang on. Hang on. Sampai di mana saya tadi? Now where was I? Now where was I? Aku merindukanmu setiap saat. I miss you every time. I miss you every time. Ayo, semua naik. All aboard. All aboard. Dengan senang hati. With pleasure. With pleasure. Sesuka hatimu. As you like. As you like. Ia boleh bicara sesukanya. He may speak as he like. He may speak as he like. Sekali-kali. Once in a while. Once in a while. Satu hal yang perlu diperhatikan. For one thing. For one thing. Titik. That's that. That's that. Saya tidak mau pergi. Titik. I want to go. There's that. I want to go. There's that. Kamu harus membayar hutangmu sekarang. You have to pay your bill right now. You have to pay your bill right now. Aku ingin ceritakan sesuatu kepadamu. I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. Lihat sini. Look here. Look here. Perhatikanlah. See here. See here. Itu busnya datang. Here come the bus. Here come the bus. Dalam hal ini. In this case. In this case. Kok bisa begitu? How so? How so? Apa komentarmu? How's that? How's that? Sudah di ambang pintu. At hand. At hand. Ujian akhir sudah di ambang pintu. The final examination is at hand. The final examination is at hand. Bersiap-siaplah untuk segala sesuatunya. Be ready for everything. Be ready for everything. Tak berguna sama sekali. Good for nothing. Good for nothing. Saya tidak sengaja melakukannya. I didn't do it purposely. I didn't do it purposely. Sepanjang waktu. All the time. All the time. Silakan duluan. After you. After you. Dengan sengaja. On purpose. On purpose. Saya sependapat dengan Anda dalam hal itu. I'm at one with you at that point. I'm at one with you at that point. Saya telah melihatnya. I have seen it. I have seen it. Saya menonton film yang baik tadi malam. I saw a good film last night. I saw a good film last night. Mereka bekerja keras. They work hard. They work hard. Alangkah panasnya hari ini. How hot is today? How hot is today? Inilah rumah tempat kita tinggal. This is the house where we live. This is the house where we live. Beritahu saya kapan. Let me know when. Let me know when. Ia sungguh benar. He is quite right. He is quite right. Dia dalam keadaan sehat hari ini. She is well today. She is well today. Bus itu sudah berangkat. The bus is off. The bus is off. Sama saja. All one. All one. Sama saja bagi saya apa yang dia lakukan. It's all one to me what she does. It's all one to me what she does. Lebih kurang. More or less. More or less. Dia tidak pernah lagi datang ke rumah saya. She never more come to my house. She never more come to my house. Saya bangun pagi-pagi sekali. I get up early. I get up early. Bersabarlah. Be patient. Be patient. Apalagi? What else? What else? Apa lagi yang kamu mau? What else do you want? What else do you want? Apa lagi yang akan dia lakukan? What else will he do? What else will he do? Mondar-mandir. Up and around. Up and around. Up and around. Kenapa kamu mondar-mandir di sini? Why are you up and around here? Why are you up and around here? Sesegera mungkin. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Tolong letakkan tas itu di atas meja. Put that bag on the table, please. Put that bag on the table, please. Anda seharusnya datang ke sini. You should come here. You should come here. Saya biasanya bangun pada pukul 6 pagi. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. Dia berjalan-jalan pada pagi hari. He take a walk in the morning. He take a walk in the morning. Ia seorang laki-laki yang rendah hati. Is a humble man. Is a humble man. Jangan sombong. Don't be arrogant. Don't be arrogant. Lihat pada gambar. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Kapal itu akan tiba pada Senin. The ship will arrive on Monday. The ship will arrive on Monday. Dia datang dan duduk di sebelah saya. He come and sat beside me. He come and sat beside me. Saya mau menyelesaikannya dalam waktu 4 jam. I will finish it in 4 hours. I will finish it in 4 hours. Seperti biasanya. As usual. As usual. Tidak salah ingatan bahwa if I remember rightly that. If I remember rightly that. Kita bisa pergi ke rumah dia sekarang ini. We can go to his house right now. We can go to his house right now. Janganlah bersedih. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Sampai saat ini dia masih sakit. He has been still ill. He has been still ill. Saya sangat sibuk hari ini. I'm very busy today. I'm very busy today. Peraturan baru ini mulai berlaku sekarang. These new rules apply as of now. These new rules apply as of now. Kita harus berlatih bahasa Inggris setiap hari. We must practice our English every day. We must practice our English every day. Sama saja. All the same. All the same. Anda semua sama saja. You are all the same. You are all the same. Jangan marah. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. Pertama-tama sekali. First of all. First of all. Dengan suka sama suka. By mutual agreement. By mutual agreement. Mereka menikah saling suka sama suka. They are married by mutual agreement. They are married by mutual agreement. Bisakah Anda memberitahu saya cerita itu? Can you tell me that story? Can you tell me that story? Anda benar. You are right. You are right. Saya di dalam kamar. I'm in the room. I am in the room. Kami di rumah. We are at home. We are at home. Jangan berlari. Don't run. Don't run. Saya punya sedikit waktu untuk mengerjakannya. I have little time to do it. I have little time to do it. Jangan malas. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Berilah saya sedikit roti. Please give me a little bread. Please give me a little bread. Please give me a little bread. Semuanya setuju. All are agreed. All are agreed. Semua orang diterima dengan senang hati. All are welcome. All are welcome. Saya tidak membutuhkan sesuatu. I don't want any. I don't want any. Siapapun dapat melakukannya. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Anda dapat membeli apa saja di toko itu. You can buy everything in the shop. You can buy everything in the shop. Kebanyakan siswa itu rajin. Most of students are diligent. Most of students are diligent. Tak seorang pun yang datang. Nobody come. Nobody come. Beberapa orang berpendapat demikian. Some think so. Some think so. Ada seseorang sedang mengetuk pintu. Somebody is knocking at the door. Somebody is knocking at the door. Ada seseorang mengatakannya kepada saya. Someone told me about it. Someone told me about it. Saya tak dapat menceritakan kepadamu sekarang. I can't tell you now. I can't tell you now. Saya tidak mengerti apa yang Anda maksudkan. I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand what you mean. Itulah yang disukainya. That is what she like. That is what she like. Saya tahu semua yang dikatakannya. I know all he said. I know all he said. Saya melihat sesuatu yang dilakukannya. I saw everything he did. I saw everything he did. Itu nasihat yang baik. That's a good advice. That's a good advice. Mereka memperoleh kemajuan. They are making progress. They are making progress. Ini adalah kabar baik. This is a good news. This is a good news. Itulah informasi yang menarik. That is interesting information. There is interesting information. Ia mengajarkan ilmu pengetahuan. He taught science. He taught science. Mereka belajar melalui percakapan. They learn through conversation. They learn through conversation. Hidupnya senang. She had a good life. She had a good life. Ia amat menyenangkan. She's great fun. She's great fun. Gerak badan adalah baik untuk kesehatan. Exercise is good for health. Exercise is good for health. Siapapun dapat melakukannya. Anyone can do it. Anyone can do it. Anda boleh datang pada sembarang waktu. You may come at any time. You may come at any time. Anda boleh mengambil apa saja yang Anda butuhkan. You can have anything you want. You can have anything you want. Saya tidak mempunyai uang di saku saya. I have no money on me. I have no money on me. Kita semua harus bekerja sama. We all must work together. We all must work together. Ia telah menempuh hidup yang bahagia. He has a happy life. He has a happy life. Saya mau mengakui bahwa saya salah. I will admit that I am wrong. I will admit that I am wrong. Mereka tidak boleh lewat. They shall not pass. They shall not pass. Saya akan pergi. I will go. I will go. Kami mau melakukannya. We will do it. We will do it. Dia datang ke sini tepat waktu. He come here on time. He come here on time. Dia seorang guru yang baik. He's a good teacher. He is a good teacher. Aku akan melakukan itu lagi. I will do it again. I will do it again. Lakukan itu lagi. Please do it again. Please do it again. Ada banyak pasir di pantai. There is much sand on the beach. There is much sand on the beach. Paman saya lebih sehat sekarang. My uncle is much better now. My uncle is much better now. Saya sangat menyukainya. I like it very much. I like it very much. Dia selalu bertanya padaku berulang-ulang. He always asks me again and again. He always asks me again and again. Saya setuju. I'm all for it. I'm all for it. Ia seorang yang berwatak baik. He's a man of good character. He's a man of good character. Saya akan makan siang sebentar lagi. I'll take my lunch presently. I'll take my lunch presently. Tunggu sebentar. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Saya kira sebentar lagi kamu boleh pulang. Presently, I think you might go home. Presently, I think you might go home. Itu giliran saya sekarang. It's my turn now. It's my turn now. Katakan pada saya sekali lagi apa yang kamu mau. Tell me once again what you want. Tell me once again what you want. Saya berbicara untuk kali ini saja. I speak one for all. I speak one for all. Dia bekerja di kebun terus-menerus. He's working in the garden on and on. He's working in the garden on and on. Kemarilah. Come on. Come on. Silakan beristirahat. Please take a rest. Please take a rest. Saya baru saja kembali dari Mekah. I just come back from Mecca. I just come back from Mecca. Ia baru saja menulis sebuah surat. He has just written a letter. He has just written a letter. Saya hanya ingin memperingatkannya. I just want to admonish him. I just want to admonish him. Ariana datang kemari untuk melihat saya. Ariana come here to see me. Ariana come here to see me. Ambil itu. Just take it. Just take it. Datang ke sini. Just come here. Just come here. Itulah justru yang aku inginkan. That is just what I wanted. That is just what I wanted. Inilah justru buku yang saya inginkan. This just the book what I want. This just the book what I want. This just the book what I want. Jangan memboroskan uangmu. Don't waste your money. Don't waste your money. Saya baru saja tiba. I'm just coming. I'm just coming. Barusan dia berada di sini. Just now he was here. Just now he was here. Meja terbuat dari kayu. Table is made of wood. Table is made of wood. Dia berdiri di samping saya. He was standing beside me. He was standing beside me. Rumahku di samping sebuah masjid yang besar. My house is beside a great mosque. My house is beside a great mosque. Saya membuka pintu itu dengan kunci ini. I opened the door with this key. I opened the door with this key. Dia menulis sebuah surat dengan pensil. He write a letter with a pencil. He write a letter with a pencil. Alangkah cantiknya kamu. How beautiful you are. How beautiful you are. Dia anak laki-laki yang pandai. He is smart boy. He is smart boy. Saya mau beli sebuah buku cerita baru. I want to buy a new storybook. I want to buy a new storybook. Kamu harus bangun lebih cepat besok pagi. You must get up early tomorrow morning. You must get up early tomorrow morning. Jagalah kelas agar tetap bersih. Keep the class clean. Keep the class clean. Kita harus menjaga rumah kita agar tetap rapi. We should keep our house tidy. We should keep our house tidy. Sebenarnya hidup ini sederhana. Actually, life is simple. Actually, life is simple. Jaga tubuhmu agar tetap fit setiap saat. Keep your body fit every time. Keep your body fit every time. Ia bebas dari tanggung jawab. He is free of responsibility. He is free of responsibility. Ia lambat dalam berbicara. She's slow of speech. She's slow of speech. Dia cepat jalannya. He's swift of foot. He's swift of foot. Dia adalah istri yang luar biasa. She is an extraordinary wife. She is an extraordinary wife. Ia jujur dalam ucapan dan perbuatan. He is honest in word and deed. He is honest in word and deed. Ia sangat hemat. He is very economical. He is very economical. Hatinya putih bersih. She is pure in heart. She is pure in heart. Saya ingin pergi. I would like to go. I would like to go. Ia sangat kaya. She is very rich. She is very rich. Dia miskin tapi jujur. He is poor but honest. He is poor but honest. Buku itu menarik. The book is interesting. The book is interesting. Berhenti. Stop it. Stop it. Dia sakit. He was out of health. He was out of health. Mohon perhatian Anda. Please your attention. Please your attention. Berhati-hatilah. Waspada. Be very cautious. Be very cautious. Sudah waktunya pergi. It's time to go. It's time to go. Saya menaruh penghormatan yang tinggi kepada guru saya. I have a greatest respect to my teacher. I have a greatest respect to my teacher. Kami tidak pergi keluar saat hujan. We don't go out in the rain. We don't go out in the rain. Anda harus mengakuinya. You must admit it. You must admit it. Hari akan hujan. It's going to rain. It's going to rain. Hidung saya rasanya tersumbat. My nose feels stuffy. My nose feels stuffy. Saya tidak menyukai rasa bawang putih. I don't like the taste of garlic. I don't like the taste of garlic. Anda boleh duduk. You may sit down. You may sit down. Besok aku mau pergi. I will go out tomorrow. I will go out tomorrow. Ia berjanji. He made a promise. He made a promise. Ia akan segera kembali. He would return soon. He would return soon. Kita tidak dapat berbuat apa-apa. We can do nothing. We can do nothing. Kedua orang tua saya adalah dokter. Both my parents are doctors. Both my parents are doctors. Ia datang ke sini 2 jam yang lalu. He come here 2 hours ago. He come here 2 hours ago. Dia akan sukses. He will succeed. He will succeed. Berita yang mengerikan. Terrible news. Terrible news. Itu seharusnya cukup. That should be enough. That should be enough. Saya punya cukup uang. I have enough money. I have enough money. Dia benar-benar presiden yang pintar. He is a real smart president. He is a real smart president. Mengapa rupamu begini? What a sight you are. What a sight you are. Alangkah bagusnya pemandangan ini. What a pretty view. What a pretty view. Dia sedang bekerja. He's working. He's working. Secara keseluruhan kopinya enak. Overall, the coffee is good. Overall, the coffee is good. Angin ribut akan tiba. The white weather will come. The white weather will come. Saya bukan anak laki-laki pemalas. I'm not lazy boy. I'm not lazy boy. Saya berada di sana. I was there. I was there. Tutuplah pintu itu. Shut the window. Shut the window. Tidur adalah perlu untuk hidup. Sleeping is necessary to life. Sleeping is necessary to life. Saya tidak suka merokok. I don't like smoking. I don't like smoking. Dia suka berburu. He enjoy hunting. He enjoy hunting. Ia suka berbelanja. She likes shopping. She likes shopping. Ia tidak suka senda gurau. He dislikes joking. He dislikes joking. Saya akan kembali nanti. I will be back later. I will be back later. Itu opini yang sepenuhnya salah. There is absolutely wrong opinion. There is absolutely wrong opinion. Saya ingin menemuimu malam ini. I want to see you tonight. I want to see you tonight. Kami akan pergi ke luar negeri pada bulan Juli. We will go to abroad in July. We will go to abroad in July. Ia pandai dalam mengajarkan bahasa Inggris. He is clever at teaching English. He is clever at teaching English. Saya senang sekali atas kedatangan Anda. I am pleased at your coming. I am pleased at your coming. Kami berlari sekitar taman. We run around the garden. We run around the garden. Saya tinggal dekat sini. I live around here. I live around here. Diamlah. No talking. No talking. Dia seorang perokok. He is a smoking man. He is a smoking man. Itulah rumah yang terbakar. There is a burning house. There is a burning house. Tolong taruh barang itu di samping. Please put that thing aside. Please put that thing aside. Saya setuju untuk membantumu. I agree to help you. I agree to help you. Kue tersebut dibuat oleh bibi saya. The cake is made by my aunt. The cake is made by my aunt. Rapat itu hampir selesai. The meeting is nearly finished. The meeting is nearly finished. Sekarang pukul 7. It's nearly 7 o'clock. It's nearly 7 o'clock. Saya percaya apa yang kamu katakan. I believe what you say. I believe what you say. Kita harus siap untuk itu. We shall be ready for it. We shall be ready for it. Dia punya banyak buku. She has several lot of book. She has several lot of book. Malam itu dihabiskan dengan doa. The night was spent in prayer. The night was spent in prayer. Saya harus bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris. I must be able to speak English. I must be able to speak English. Kebaikan dari dalam diri adalah bagus. The inner self is good. The inner self is good. Dia bukan siapa-siapa bagiku. He is nothing to me. He is nothing to me. Dia telah membaca majalah yang lain. She has read another magazine. She has read another magazine. Tolong berikan saya buku yang lain. Please give me another book. Please give me another book. Saya di rumah ibu saya. I am at my mother's house. I am at my mother's house. Yang lain tidak hadir hari ini. The other are not present today. The other are not present today. Melanggar hukum memarkir mobil di sini. It's against the law to park car here. It's against the law to park car here. Kami akan mengendarai melalui terowongan. We will drive through the tunnel. We will drive through the tunnel. Itu adalah perbuatan yang tercela. That was a despicable act. That was a despicable act. Tolong bawa buku itu kepadaku. Please bring that book to me. Please bring that book to me.